Hello viewers, today I was telling out how to fix Roblox error code 291 by WealthQuest team May 11th 20231 means read. Are you getting the error of 291 in Roblox? The full error message reads player has been removed from the data model error code 291. Many players getting this error message when they are trying to play some Roblox games, and don't worry, in the article we will understand the Roblox error code 291. Understanding the Roblox error code 291. Roblox error code 291 typically indicates that the player has been removed from the game's data model. This usually happens when the player's character is deleted or removed from the game. And don't worry, in the article we will understand the Roblox error code 291. Understanding the Roblox error code 291. Roblox error code 291 is typically indicates that the player has been removed from the game's data model. This usually happens when the player's character is deleted or removed from the gamer. And Roblox error code 291, the removal of a player from the data model could be a result of the destroy or a kick functions being executed in the game script, and the destroy function is used to delete an object and kick delete an object, and the kick function is used to disconnect a player from the game. And how to fix the Roblox error code 291. The Roblox error code 291 is typically happens to a game script, so there is a not always a lot you can do as the player to fix it. If you are encountering error code 291, frequently is recommended to report the issue to some games developer or the Roblox support, and they could provide further assistance or fix the issue. It's a bug. You can make a list of games or a particular game in which you are getting this error code and provide all information to Roblox support team. And thanks for watching us.